right, there we go. Now this is the friend, the homie. This is Margarita. Right here.
Stupid, where you going?
I'm about to go get stuff from my house. You on video? This you doing some other shit? You got the glow too, like the sun is out.
You know.
Where you go?
No, okay.
Don't do that.
I'm going to Flatbush.
Oh, you got a date today?
No, I want to go buy a few things, you know, since I start school tomorrow.
Why this nigga lying? Like I don't know who live in Flatbush. Like I know who live in Flatbush.
Okay, he's gonna be there, but I'm going to buy.
Oh, okay, just say that. Go check your honey dip and shop. You feeling good? Like you feeling your movies and all that.
And you are gonna go inside. It's nice outside.
Nah, I'm gonna just get my hoodie because I might make a move. Cause I'm going to Flatbush too, but not your side. I'm going to church.
Go see Flatbush.
My mother, look at you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Your mother.
Let me zoom in. Who that? You feeling good too? Yo, I'm telling you, I'm gonna post a video up so because you got a couple niggas that want you though. I'm just it's promo. I'm just telling you though.
You gonna promote me? What?
I'm not in a bad way. Like you good.
Oh, okay, I'm thinking you're gonna.
I'm just saying like they gonna see you like the life, like they know like this is a real person, like it's not fake. They said that somebody said you look so good that you like one of them fake pages that spam and put the sneakers on the page like bodies Jordans and shit.
Oh my god.
Word to mother.
You lying.
You damn right I'm lying.
And you still recording.
Yeah. You wanna take it off? I love this. I love this. Paparazzi flow.
Adios, mis amigos.
Get out of here now. Thank you. I'm off this. Later. See you later. Hasta luego. You already? Paparazzi flow. You off this? That's the people coming up. I don't even know what the fuck they don't know. You zoom in. We off this though.